Good morning, everyone. Right, I'm Godwin. I'll be teaching you web authoring today. Right, so by the end of my lesson, you should be able to design a website using HTML and CSS. Right? Okay, let's begin. So, what do you need for my lesson? You need either a laptop or a desktop, right? The softwares that we need include Dreamweaver or any text editing software that you have in your machine, be it Notepad, Notepad++, Microsoft Visual Studio, and any other text editing software that you have in your machine, right? Okay, let's proceed. Right, so we shall have an explanation. An explanation of what is a website. So, what is a website? A website is a collection of pages, right, that are stored in a server, so that anyone with internet access can access those files, right? Now, the language that we are going to be using is called HTML. What does HTML mean? It's Hypertext Markup Language. Okay, fine. So we are going to, you can start up your Notepad or Dreamweaver. Okay, now let's proceed. So, these are called tags, HTML tags. So these are called opening tags. Now, after those opening tags, we have, these are called closing tags. Remember, there's the forward slash, right? Now, after the HTML tags, we have the head tags. Then let us have a closing head tag, right? Closing head tag, right? So within the head tags, we've got other special tags called the title tags. So we have, let me just leave some space here. With the title tags, the opening tag and the closing tag, title tag, right? Our website is going to be a Hello World website. So let's give the title, let's say Hello World, right? The title is the text that will appear at the top of the browser. So let's say Hello World. That is our title. Now, after the closing head text, we have got what we call the body text, opening and the closing body text. Right? So within this area is where we put our anything that we would want it to appear on our web page, right? So I'm going to have this on the board. Let's say a paragraph. So the P tag is the paragraph tag. P tag, and can write. I need some space here, so I'll just rub and rewrite them down. Right? That's the closing bold tag here, and the closing HTML tag here. So I can say, hello world, we are can just write any text that you want. We are all good. We are all good. Full stop. Then you can close this this paragraph tag. Right? You can close this paragraph tag. Now, if you save this, you are going to see a page like this. You can use any browser that you want, say Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera, or any other browser that you want to use. You are going to see a page saying hello world. We are all good. This is what you are going to see on your browser. Now, another major objective in my lesson is to introduce you to CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. It's also a language that's used to style our content on a web page. Right? I'm going to introduce to you CSS. Right? So you can copy this down somewhere. Right? I'm going to spell CSS. It's called Cascading Style Sheet. Now, I'll use this space because I will need to use this content, right? Now, cascading style sheet follows the method whereby we have got a selector, then property, then value. Right, this is what it follows, right? So in this case, let's say we've got this ID tag called the P tag, right? We can say the selector, our selector BP, then you can say this. We can say the property, we say font size will be 50 pixels. Right. Font size 50 pixels. This is our CSS file. Now, let's proceed on to saving our documents. Right? We've got this CSS file and we've got this main code, right? So how do we save? We can click the save button if you're using Dreamweaver, or the save as, or you can click the save as button if you're using Notepad. So click save as, right? After clicking save as, under type you click all files. You click all files, you select all files, then you can give a heading code, our world, let it be one word, our word. Then you put the extension .html. Put the extension .html or word.html. Then you save this one. You do the same. You can say our world .css. The type should be all files. Remember, it's also we will put the extension as CSS cascading style sheet. Right? Put them on the same folder. This file and this file. Right? On this file, only have this code. Right? Now we want to link these two documents. How do we link them? We link them in the head tag. So in the head tag, let me just create some small space here. In the head tag, we call upon the link tag. So we say link, right? Then rel is equals to style sheet, right? Then type is equals to txt or text or style sheet right? Then you also include this property called href, right? It's equals to, here we are referring where is our file. So if it is in the same folder, you just write the name of the file. In this case, just write our world.css. Right. Then, if you save the files and you go to the folder that you save the files and click on the world.html, you should be seeing something from the browser. Thank you very much for attending my lesson. I wish, I'm sure you're going to run this program code. I'll attach the files so that you had some challenges on writing something down. Thank you very much. It's bye-bye for now. Enjoy the rest of the day.